The photoelectric effect is explained by which of the following theories? Answer: quantum theory. The photoelectric effect was discovered by who? Answer: Heinrich Hertz. Who applied the photoelectric effect to the quantum theory of radiation? Answer: Albert Einstein. The special theory of relativity was developed by whom? Answer: Einstein. Maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons varies linearly with dash of incident radiation. Answer: frequency. The power is stronger the shorter the wavelength. Answer: resolving. In what medium does an electron beam operate? Answer: vacuum. The electron's velocity at the threshold frequency is? Answer: 0. The dash microscope is used to examine crystal structure, microorganisms, and viruses. Answer: electron. The Einstein mass-energy relation is? Answer: A equals mc square. Both fire and burglar alarms use? Answer: photoelectric cell. Choose the particle with no rest mass. Answer: photon. The photoelectron's maximum kinetic energy is independent of? Answer: intensity. The matter wave's wavelength is independent of? Answer: charge. 1 joule is equivalent to? Answer: 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Raindrops acquire spherical shape due to? Answer: surface tension. The amount that stays the same when a sound travels from air to water is? Answer: frequency. The air is often at its maximum pressure when? Answer: cool and moist. Sound following a flash of lightning is called? Answer: thunder. Optical fiber operates on the theory that? Answer. Total internal reflection. When a perfume bottle is opened in one corner of a space, the aroma quickly permeates the entire space. This is an instance of Answer. Diffusion. A body falling freely under the influence of gravity has a rate of change in linear momentum equal to its Answer. Weight. Which is the greatest option for partition walls when it comes to sound absorption? Answer. Glass, wool. No current will flow between two charged bodies if they have the same Answer. Potential. Camphor pieces in water travel about quickly. This is as a result of Answer. Surface tension. What is the SI unit of pressure? Answer. Pascal. Which fluid has the highest viscosity? Answer. Oil. Star and galaxy masses are typically represented in terms of Answer. Solar mass. The quartz crystal in the watch relies on the principle of Answer. Piezo electric effect. A falling barometer reading indicates Answer. Rainfall. Photosynthesis occurs more quickly in Answer. White light. Which color has a longer wavelength? Answer. Red. Choose the single scalar quantity. Answer. Power. A communication channel's capacity is measured by Answer. Bandwidth. Light from the sun reaches us in nearly Answer. 8 minutes. Total internal reflection is a possibility when light travels from Answer. Diamond to glass. The measure of erg cross sec is Answer. Planck's constant. The sun's constant energy production is caused by Answer. Nuclear fusion. The rotating impact of a force on a body about a rotational axis is explained in terms of Answer. Moment of force. What kind of crystalline solid is graphite? Answer. Covalent network. Which substance is not an electrolyte? Answer. C2H6O. Which of the following has the highest frequency? Answer. Cosmic rays. One astronomical unit is the average distance between. Answer. Earth and the Sun. Which of these is a scalar quantity? Answer. Electric current. The incapacity of a body to change its condition of rest or uniform motion along a straight line is referred to as its. Answer. Inertia. When a man jumps off a moving train, he is thrown. Answer. Forward. The Earth's atmosphere experiences pressure because of. Answer. Gravitational pull. What IED part generates an electrical charge? Answer. Power source. Ice cubes will form more quickly on trays made of which in a freezer? Answer. Aluminium. The quality of sound generated by an instrument is determined by. Answer. Number of overtones.